Hi everyone, very warm welcome to everyone. So we are going to learn this series, which are like Python 36 30 days program, which is like helping the students career to learn something about Python and some examples to practice to get some opportunities in real time. So I'll show some. Like I'll be able to take you the basic concepts on Python, and Python is known as like it's a high level programming language, and which is helping to the easy to humans, and which is like easy to write. So mostly many languages we are having in the current scenario, like Java, C, C++, JavaScript. So why we are moving to the Python? Python currently very popular. Why? Because now we are using in data science, data analytics part, cyber security, big data analytics. In everywhere we are using Python. The gaming applications we are creating by using the Python, and full stack applications also we are using with the Python. So why we are moving when we are comparing to the other programming languages, that also we can able to know in this complete video. So we are easy to write and simply readable. We can able to simply readable the code. So both the beginner and the experienced programmers, we are making as a choice to learn this program um, of Python. Python is popularly it's a nature of enabling the developers to the wide range of fields, as you know, data science and then full stack application. Mainly the Python extension libraries we are having. So by using of these libraries, we are going like Java, Django for web development, and TensorFlow for the machine learning purpose. So mostly, see, Python is also high level programming language. Why? Because it is having both compiler plus interpreter in the common to run the program very simple manner. So we are already using high level language, means so we are not even converted into the mm, code to the machine code. Okay, everything like once we are executing the program, it's automatically compile and interpreter is done in the single steps. So that is why the program will be very easy to understand, and to perform many type of coding examples also, it will be very easy. So coming to the Python syntax is simple and expensive. So based on the readability of the program, we are going for the learning of this program. So I'll tell you about the interpreter and compiler then.